SY155W product introduction. SY155W wheel excavator once being launched, it was widely recognized by the market. The machine is equipped with 0.58 cubic meters bucket. The working device and frame are formed by automatic welding process, which is firm and reliable. The double-balance hydraulic suspension system is adapted to improve the ride stability of the whole vehicle. Equipped with double-circuit brake and brake pressure monitoring system to ensure the safety and effectiveness of brake action. The cab is safe and comfortable, meeting FOPS and ROPS certification. The whole machine adopts advanced electric control positive flow control system, equipped with international first-class brand high-performance hydraulic components, which makes the whole machine energy-saving, efficient, accurate, and reliable. The power part adopts Isuzu 4HK1X engine with rated power of 120 kilowatts, 2000 RPM. In general, SY155W wheel excavator is flexible and energy-saving, and it is favored by the market for its excellent performance and multifunction.